are the Luckmore family. So much love, it's clear to see. We are the Luckmore family. So come with us, what will we see? Luckmore family.
It is a gorgeous day for some wishables. Happy 50th. More? What are you doing? What are you doing? Come here. Whoa. Wishables picnic time. Parker, do you want wishables? Hey. It's time for wishables. What is that? What is that? Open, open. Hold on, we can open them. Sit down. Sit down, let's open them. All right, Parker, you ready? I think this one.
I grabbed two fat ones, so I think you have two Plutos.
I think this one might be Goofy. You ready? 1, 2, 3. Who is it? Who is it?
Oh my
Yay! Can you say Good job. This one next. Okay, this one next. Well, we'll be careful because if we feel another Goofy.
Well, I think it's a daisy.
Maybe. All right, Dad's just gonna open and you tell me what it is.
Oh my gosh, you guys are so good.
Open it up. What is it? Who is it? Daisy Duck! Yay! She says, ta-da! All right, you ready?
Oh, he went to get it.
This one.
Oh, that's the one you want to open? All right, we'll open it. And if it's another Goofy, we'll give it to Grandma. All right, ready for this one? You ready? 1, 2, 3. Who is it? Who is it? Take it out. Who is it? Who is it? Oh, it's Dale. Can you say aww? Oh, this one's next. This one's next. You're overwhelmed this time. He's so cute. Okay, yes, you can hold him. This one next. All right, we'll let Dada do this one. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you think, Dada? Which one?
Dale, I think.
I don't know.
Dale?
You have Dale.
Go check. Go see what it is. Go to Dada. Who is it? Let me see.
You have another chipmunk?
Who is it? It's Dale. Yay!
Are we gonna have a third Dale?
Parker, you ready?
He's got his chipmunk. He's ready.
What do you think it is?
We
Who
good,
is
we
it?
good.
Pull it out. It's Chip. Yay!
Woo! Yay!
What is it? Ready? Set. What is it? What is it? Yay!
This one next? This one's next.
He's like, I like this. All right, well,
I would say we didn't do too bad so far.
so far so good.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
far so good.
So this one also might be Pluto, which would be really good.
Yeah.
Because now I know Pluto has a bump on his head.
Yeah. Like I said, Pluto, Chip, and Dale were my 3 favorites.
All right,
So we'll see what happens.
good job. Ready? All right, 1, 2, 3. Who is it? Who is it? Who is it?
Yay! We both get a Pluto.
That's what we wanted. He has the tongue out and he goes. Perfect. Ready? What is it? What is it? Come on. It's another Dale!
Oh my goodness!
Dale is becoming the joy of the series.
We could have a Dale sale.
All right, boys. So we came up too short from our Wishables picnic. So we're at Coronado Springs. We're gonna try to get them. What do you think? Should we do Wishables? We're missing Donald over here, and we're missing Chip. So let's see. All right, I am praying this is Donald. What do you think? Do you think Donald? Ready? set, say Donald. Good job. Who is it? Pull it out. Who is it? Is it Donald? You said Donald. Who is it? Pull it out. Oh, suspense is killing me. It's Donald.
Yay!
That's a duck. Say aw. Wishable, yes. Here's one more wishable. You want to do one more?
Yeah.
All right. Oh, this would be amazing if this is it. You ready? Ready. Say, let's do it. Oh, I'm so nervous.
Is it going to be our fourth
If it's
day?
not a chipmunk, I'm going to, like, hysterically laugh. What to be Daisy? It's... Yay, it's Chip!
Hey, good boy! We got the whole set.
All right. All right, so we are back. As you can see, we're in a hotel right now because we're in between houses. So we don't have the Wishables ball pit with us. But let's go ahead and let's take a look at the 50th anniversary Wishables a little bit closer that we got today. Here we go. So of course we had to put them in our Fab 50 character bag from the 50th anniversary. And inside you'll find these. So it is the 50th anniversary series. It is the most ambitious series and the largest series I think that they've had pretty much in a while. So you see on the cover over here, they are all dressed in their iridescent outfits. In the main collection, you've got Donald, you've got Daisy, you've got Goofy, Pluto, and then Dale. And then as you saw, Chip is the variant, which is quite hard because they're identical with the exception of the nose and the eyes, which you can't really feel. So that's them. So let's take them out of the bag. All right, so first out of the bag, we have Daisy. Daisy was actually really easy to decipher because you could feel the bow on her head. She's the only one that doesn't have really a bow tie, but she has that bow up there. There she is, winking at you in her little outfit, looking cute. All right, after Daisy, we have Pluto. Now, Pluto is identical to the standard Pluto. The only difference is a collar. Pluto never gets anything special, but he's easy to figure out who he is because he's the only one whose hands are not out because they are nice and close in the center. There's Pluto, tongue out, bump on the back of his head. Still pretty cute. All right, next up, we've got Minnie. Minnie is part of the Open End series. This series has two open ends, her and Mickey, but she is indeed in her iridescent dress. She's got the bow on top of her head, just like Daisy as well. She is looking cute. Then, of course, like I said, here is Chip. He is the variant. So Chip was pretty much the hardest to find, but that's because he has the bow tie just like Dale. He has the snout, which you could feel for Dale, and he has the ears just like Dale on top. So they're pretty much identical. So you just have to hope for the best like we did and get 3 Dales before you get a second Chip. Next we have Mickey. He is the other open end. So Mickey and Minnie, we have 2 open ends for this one. He is in his tuxedo as well. Nothing to feel for, obviously. I do have to say there were less Mickeys on the shelf than there were Minnies, but here he is. All right, up next is Donald. Donald is quite easy to find because if you feel for the bill and then you feel down for the bow tie, that's how you find him. Plus he has little web feet, but he is the most unique out of all of them when it comes to shape and when it comes to feeling. But there's Donald. And he's got a little tail feather. Here's Goofy. Goofy is the fattest bag, so he's the biggest one because he has a giant head. He does have the snout and the bow tie, of course, but the easiest way to find him is feeling for the ears. And also, if you have the biggest bag, he takes up the most room when it comes to it. He was the first one that we found, but he is adorable. And of course, here you have Dale with the red nose. Like I said, him and Chip are pretty much identical. They have pretty much the same. So we got a few of him, but that's okay. He's cute and he makes a great gift. And there they all are. The 8-character collection. Chip, Dale, Goofy, Minnie, Mickey, Pluto, Donald, and Daisy. Looking cute, y'all. Happy 50th. Until next month.
A lot more family.